a wrong impression.
Nhyira
President Mama Suma national security in the Bison Galamsey. I mean, this is unfortunate.
And
I think I've told him.
No, I've told him.
I've been receiving texts from national security directors.
I've told him that why
that guy can avoid this. Because you see, you can't come and sit on a big platform like this and say that President Mama Suma will be say Uncle Galamsey, and you keep repeating it severally. Who draw attention to it? So, I am sure.
Don't worry.
This is Nhyira FM. Yes, now for team FM now. So when you are speaking here, you see, you have every right. Say over chance and Atuah. This is Nhyira FM. So okotena munso FM. Now kasa you can't sit here and talk like that just because you are in opposition. You see, we speak with facts. So that is totally.
I stated.
And I'm so it's not true.
I've lowered your mic. What I'm saying is that I already told him the facts we have. That two suspected national security operatives, Yachiwom. And it's on record. But what he's saying, I've made him know, say he can't generalize because that one. Yes.
During their time. Yeah. Military officials and some of them were indicted in Galamsey fights. Can you say?
I told him.
Yeah, can you say that because yeah, watch it, soldier need visa or collaborate with Galamsey for That's what you are doing here, and we are trying to draw your attention to it. So now, no, you see. Again, let me give Mamincha, your regional minister, Dr. Frank Amakohene. Now, mention the regional chairman. Now, I'm congratulating you as the appointment as the board chairman for STC. You know, it comes very refreshing.
Sure.
I believe in his competence. Obia Otimi Ashanti region, Otimi increase NDC seat from 4 to 10. Now, Mode Kalabula to Amanaka 8. He has all the competence to man STC as a board chairman. Nana Kosebia will be a big congratulations to you.
Right.
Now, if he say NDC better na kunyasi, Ghana ni bia otu krom ha saying na oka no kra kire no ho ahunu say oman is in the right direction. In fact, and from afoforo bi bo krom ha saying ahonhari bi abo oman mu ha saying Ghana for ye ho ahyase e free yen. And I always say this, Enyema Amamua, it was below standard of the Ghanaian economy, and you're complaining saying, and President Mama needs to take you over. Gradually, you can see, say, they did far below the standard. And or Chramobia who say, now don't go for an allergy about me. See, share power Ghana. There's no way we should let them come closer to power because almost standard number display was far below. Dollar yeah, every average of, and I use average because any stable of 17 Ghana cedis. Average na 10.2 ni 10.3 no. Unim ade esi wa Ghana. Hwe obia na okra niam ba. No otua $10,000 as duty no. So the 17 cities ni year and another Akufo Addo. Nbako ni 170,000. 1.7 billion. Say yeah check you niam na so niam no. Ubetua $10,000 ah. Na just how the bag Ghana skamu na another Akufo Addo time na utua 1.7 billion.
Right.
And ya NDC aban da Roma. President Mama ni NDC atofo simu da Roma. Dollar na ba be gina 10.3. Se say ni pa kro na akọ. That's what you bought $10,000. He is spending 70,000 Ghana, 103 Ghana cedis. I'm sorry, repeat Tell an atama dollar near 17 cedis per dollar. No. So, Kraniama bedru pot. Nasa o kwakuyi. Now, when you say what charges near $10,000, we have 1.7 billion old Ghana cedis, 170,000. And sana what you akwa kre o niamano. Just by say Ghana 4G and this for no munya did you we mutu abama ya buy. Near the share papa abegu akwam na dollar na free 17 abegina 10.3 and pay me check here no. Tani pa kro no enne se ne nema bedu pot na so okwa akoyi a ohia 103,000 which is average about 1 billion. So what free one 70,000 Ghana cedis and a businessman no 700 million and a free nukum. They don't know how to am a force. This is what is important. When your friend Amamu, and ye, and you tobe number no. Can you imagine, say, we a businessman, Uko Crania be do potter, duty at $10,000, and another Kufado. We have 1.7 billion, as I know what Maclay. And then this Wabeka say, yeah, I'm money in Busini woman. Your record say we are far better than them. And what you need to do, Nessa Montoba, and a businessman, Kwanunya Gidio and this, and a Kotoba, on a crowd to cry, no, and this if you would them, no Kotoe. Less than 6 months in office as a businessman who take decision, say, Matuama and this, $10,000, yes, and that's what you whole port now. But dollar now. And this is by INE 70,000 Ghana cedis, 700 million, and every businessman you come. What you down upon me? This is what is happening in Ghana. The ASU Ghana near average price of 20-liter container, around $5,000 in Yadi. And to more class foods, and no more class spare parts in Yadi, and they make a winning power. 2 crack, fencing 20-liter container. And another go Kufado. That's an average of 17 Ghana cedis at 5,000. Now, say, over here about 85,000. So, what me? That is 850 million container bako. And then I bet you now, 10.3 and I pay $10.3. I don't know. We have 51,000 Ghana cedis. Over 300 million and every so. Abu Jafar and Kwame ye deal. And 2 shaman for Obi hot and I know mine be. The friend I jump do. Or transfer pass. Mishia na no se Kwame. Man to about man DC. But ne see to emergency election. Many first person so that much one na kwa koju. You see, ultimately na da nipa bi mu because we want the impact in one hand. Sika everybody anya se so uko krania maba na container na $5,000 and that was see na free so 30,000 Ghana cedis. Unim de chere say wo de ade ne ba ubetuma tete so kakra.
But the China say yen said them feel the direct impact of normal attitude because o spare parts the gina obeto ties me car kitwe me tie 250 cedis that switch na wana no kra ba bia me kwa na 270
because
and what is happening?
No, because there is stock. There is stock. And so you need to appreciate and understand it.
Because I started I mean
some of the commodities. Some of the commodities and never be about 47. Now I'm going for the time. Shop bien who are now being among 5 kilos, 50 cedis. But among 5 kilos need about just 50 cedis.
Oh yeah.
So say all the guanas also what they want to a time will come a better no swasem.
Time Benian.
No, omo kwakofa ba yi so omo kwakofa ba yi omo fa na 10.3 ni ade ade. Se nipa ne ba na so pese ne ma no kontama. We to the use o ma ne ma na sa akọ.
Omo an de be yes ayi.
Yes, so I'm saying say a system no na free. Amanfo bro.
Ntidi na ba betimi aye. Ya na nki
bia. Say wo ba mu ntino. Na me come ni.
Seconds be na bia ba mu. Dia na ba betimi aye.
Akoko say wo ba mu.
Kakra.
What I say? Enti the point I want to make is say 5 months, 6 months, yeah, de NDC buy Ghana ni bia nya so so. Every Ghanaian. When was the last time I went sorry out to say your tickets? O de wani fie di a wotena Ghana hey. Na be na wada sorry say kasika your tickets kaso.
Fu de atiti bi Sudan.
Ana kasika. We wake up one day. Ukofuru car. Nkagana de ni ma ne say de bia yetum sa. Yesia ukofuru car. Yesia tickets sika so. Aban bia ba ma ne hye ye panti. Sika na nka utua ade furu car no. Yate so.
Right.
You see, enema ekoso Ghana sesi ano ho. Say we NPP ni a. There's an kaya and say if you can beat them, join them.
Omo join them.
90 just Ghana man NPP biem. Na dollar sa 17 cedis. Na fu an 17 cedis. Erebe come na wodi no. Yes Ghana man NPP biem. Na no mo sabe bo man say o man matwe so no. Sabi enfa yato. Aho kira ye fa mu me say 2022. Ugina de ho to ani yatum. That was the economy they ran. Etu pasa Ghana for san kwasa de ni mu biem. NPP for na support no mu gu no. No mo de be join NDC. You say NDC na beto bu Ghana. Fast forward. Ade we na me se me kan wase ma me mu. Onu say Accra na unfortunately etu obi to Adventist na e born ani no. So okay. School ni ge obi a ni college.
Yeah, Penamai.
School ni be dey call ya. You Ibrahim Muhammad Adaroma. afa akra no de na kwa abrochiri akoye nani ama ene nyame adom akra nani ate ama na no oba ya odu fie na nya asem ketwa and a very quick one me fa na Yewura Ibrahim Hamasi say pana ma wonim ni ba bia won hu ni ba bia o te say etuo na kanani no ono a beginam watua thousands of dollars no de akra na kwa abrochiri akohwe akra nani ama akra na saba eti me ndo maso na yebra industrial drive na ye ka ho asem you see 24-hour economy na ye di hu nkomo no de ese ye trimu pa ne se emabunu benya adwuma aye because ennese ya ye te Ghana hey ohwe de NDC ye inflation etimi a reduce abedu 13.5%, dollar abedu 10.5%, fuel ya tete so system ni mu hare amanfo ahunu impact but ade ba ko aka esese ye pa ne se emabunu dudu na omunni adwuma ye no ebe mo manya adwuma ye ebe create space ama baburu nya yes ade ni ya abigagu sesi send this is yes say dey 24-hour economy ni industrial driving ye ba na nyame adom say the wagina ye chi ye ba wato superman na manyine koyie yetimi implement na mabunu ya omota ye chi e de ba aban mu emabunu etimi nya adwuma ya NPP agu
oh yeah sure
esa dia ka no se be ma ye ma no mo wo fie no anya adwuma ye yetimi create opportunities ama adwuma ba krom ha NPP ko election e be se CPP no ko election 10 times o be lose 10 times you can't take Ghanaians for granted enuti 24-hour economy ni trimpo nyina ne se manufacturing na ade ba ko ane mete ya mani agye ho kra ye Ghana mo no unu the first time I'm hu China mo asma me kan ya ne se yetima tena wa ma ye die kurom ye ni Ghana mo China fo abe ye China mo a uwura mu a first ani esu ano ye se China fo ne amanye China se ukra fo kra ye se China fo chin China ene China fo time benya kokoduro asi atrobo ho China mo ntu nipa guo awokwa tama na ye nyini no so kura de kura na etimi de sere o phone ring a tin yes ye we use China phone na de sere ene China for na go to the stage say o ma be see shop atwere gu ani mu China mo ye nyina anim say China for chinchin chon na guo ensu nipa ye ho ma and so say ye na ya adwene ma so a it is incumbent of us to get a Ghana more and that is what as part of the 24-hour economy no Ghana and among for propose say baby amukotu amana so mo de be cathedral no se be ya yon consider ho ne nsi Ghana more kese nso no Ghana ne man ko a Ghanaian product made in Ghana ntu wura ho no ma from herbal to furniture to bibia nti se bia yes se bia ye herbal side a ye herbal product ya ba bibi ntina me pese me body na ka ya display ni nyina ho furniture furniture carpenter for mo krom ase no mo ye konwa ne ade a na ye de akogo ntu obi a ba no wura ho Ghana more right unim se Ghana more no ba ho Ghana mo ne ba ebe mi hu se nema bebere kura ye di abrofuri di achi no bebere kwaso ye furniture ankunyan unim se enu amode a ma ye sisi ekwa ho ne ade no so per quality pa ni durability better than the Google shops no I'm telling you I am telling you ankunyan ya ma ye sisi kwa hu first ni yes finishing yes o ye ankunyan no mo ya ene de oma master o de uduru ha ya o sane mo ase ha ya na wo fro se de wo sane na gaja sha hwe o sale hwe ankunyan o ma ya gu o san ankunyan no untimi fa cha na mo akunyan to ho da I am telling you
one thing I see ni say bebre no mo capital sha
sure
it is so better leather papa no
na aya
but o adwin no a mo ye nkonwa na esiwa o leather papa
I mean enti ade NDC dey ba ne say Ghana mo no me kra ye be ya ka region bia ye mie bi
na make
nti ebie saa na
district level
na kwa nti saa nkonwa ya egu hei ne de akogu na ye de air condition o se we egu awiem uduru aranga junction egu awiem na awia bo nso to na me rubber kata so ne ayemoa ne so de asisi glass mu bi ne de air condition asiso na say nipa
npa adwen po na ya na efu na de but yeah say reality no na ya na Ghana fu so
but say ubenya ni so ade hunu no kra keke na wada ba me adwen ho no kra ye pe anu ni ade a yes se unya ni so ade hunu a enu na betu manifest be reality
bebre yenya bebre
oh but we dey
hu of manifesto political parties
akokwa se ugidi se sa ni so ade hunu na ye
Oh, I know the
Ghana more.
I support.
Yeah, the Ghana. Yes, Obia, Udia, Adibia, why you be Albania ready standard and standard Benya standard. Yes, Ghana Montino. Now go to Moko do good to be one Nadia Basse Drone that goes. Okay. Yes, Chakina standard in the who go and put it there any other than hey, 15 minutes in Aso. Hey, yes,
Mama, 3 minutes, guys.
I
can't bear 1 minute. Hey, but 2 I can't.
Another thing, so say,
right.
Gold board. Tax force so
Nhyira
and also buy Atuah ama say you gold Ghana na cotton ama Atuah ye see the nani and no fee stress policy and I know na menam university bi echi na dwubina say scan say toto mu no to crowd put jama one more mahama oh say
una video send them
mama say one more mahama oh say wa show ne power and I'm say na dem crowd put jama say John Mahama promise I will promise abusafo mu tie abusafo bi o tie bi antie bossa NDC for say Ghana for say si Atuah ba ma omo a ye mana omo ko university no omo admission fees omo di ura school nim training college ni nursing training ni ade obefa no president Mahama sha se a otua ene utewa ofun so twe 3000 enti ebi ha 2,900 depending on who school na 2,900 and 3,000
so yenti omu jubilation kakra. Okay, so Achia enkwada no omojo beni wo ho no. Eti
eni jaba and all university campus nyina enkwada say ya nu ya hu say support to NDC. Okay, 2024 election uhu ya there was a youth drive youth for ni nyina youth for ni nyina ya mo ko register yempe goat names ni ade identity difference wa NDC ni NPP mu no NPP for aka say napko nipa 100,000 ba me ne wo akoko a wote am nipa na ya napko nu 20,000 and omu 100,000 hu skasa ba bi ko ye nyame nanim omu say to obeda wa na omu close to system na omu say account so ye gu no enti e ba there's no record about napko no akotresi.
So we can confirm say 20,000.
Bra, it's in any 100,000. Any 100,000 I end up Kroma. Can you be honest yourself? Can
you don't have the data.
Oh, senior, you don't have the data say.
So let's talk around it, but we can't talk fast.
Straight away, Napco for no me 100,000. Let me put that thing aside. And the say young person go slim no be atena be abodi agum ntino wo ko school wa na admission amount o index number no student number fa o student number no ko online na ko apply say me ye fresher na fan connect school ni data entinya say fitia na etu ayo ya mo mo ko register
na ma bi no anya bi na
enti say bia wo process no na go through ya say bie portal no go through nessa ko ye but as at now university campus nyina and kwani school fees first year no ya tua na pesa mama ka say
ejuba Facebook school for no
and kwani dey asa no ani je nko ani je am say ene ura oh masa ene ene so ura ke va sa beto prrr se prrr ura ke nyu sa beto prrr se prrr ani je nko aba enti ya manu school fees na oh masa de adi o say ano on town no fa bika no also we interrupt
1 minute back.
Nhyira enti ya manu school fees na John Mahama ne NDC share ye bo no apart from so omo ba yen omo teach fu also omo ba yen omo ma ye ko ma hen ha yen omo ba yen niam ba form ya tete sika so ene niam ama niam ba form no John Mahama ne NDC aban no asa ya de e bin si da say ye ma omo ko school afi university ni ade no omo school fees omo share ye bo so omo betua no aban na tua ma na to bia dem eno na wo de ka allowance no wasem but on the allowance no a different day you better discuss it.
Very important.
Say I come on we didn't because he thinks that you're a politician. But in reality, and this I am speaking as Kwame, not at NDC because NDC came. Government in power, Kasa say. Government now, yes, and 88 in the government. What I said, the entire town come over. You need the idea. Say, yeah, they are done politics. yɛde na ne politics ne ntimi nka no kro ne mu no Tim Papa my allowance Emma training college in 24 and now can any parudo na no mo person on beko because okwa o ba be teacher ne ade and you see any friend ma bi nhyehyem na ya attract ni panko and St. Louis College of Education within academic year and crab 5,000 etimi apply ni afa mu be 500 what I say the tell ni say see any bebre pe school ni bi akọ enti sa time na na nipa bebre enko school nti ye de sa ade ne be share hon atwam san komo na NDC kwodi ya 20cc ye de to abeti ayo oh I am being honest with you
and that's the honest truth
yes ye kire mu say da bi ade na duru no ye nyi allowance no ne ntimi increase numbers no ampa 20cc ye yi allowance no average training college na 8,000 ko 16,000 Ghana ha what I say ye withdraw allowance no intake ni timi kosoro but ni nyina achi no Ghana for the to abeti because every before say and this boy teacher training ne nursing training allowance and allowance no ho komo ne de e politics in that so ko ho no no
macho
na o 21 minutes na
already mfi o de ja o se wetie o mu